no display. So first of all we check input 12 volt VGH AVDD VGL 12 volt. It's okay. AVDD volt, VCOM, so first of all we cut this side CKV1 one track we need to cut first, and after we check AVDD 3.3 volt 1.8 volt VCOM volt. First of all we cut this side, we cut these two track left side, and then we try our TV is okay or no. If not okay, so after we cut this right some tracks from this side. So let's do it now. Hello guys, so I already cut this right side, cut CKV track from right side. First I cut from the left side, but after I cut the same problem, and then I cut from the right side. So now we check our AVDD 15 volt VCOM volt 12 volt is okay. AVDD 15 volt, now got 15 volt AVDD VCOM 27 volt 3.3 volt 3.3 volt. So now we check our TV got display or no. Okay guys, done. Samsung 32-inch LED TV, repair, no display problem, and the model is UA32N4000AK. Okay guys, thank you everyone, thanks for watching.